A success for me never got into my head because I've always been grounded, because we've always faced the ups along with the downs, you know. And so for me today, if I see, yes, success was good. God has been, because always there's a feeling of God being there, plus the strength of our family. I would feel definitely the strength of my son, husband, the family, everybody being there. It's more of growing as a person. And today I feel I've grown much more as a person seeing all this.
There is nothing called success without hard work, and we have to put a lot of our efforts, which jointly we did.
I started a boutique in a home garage. And here in the boutique line, we were seeing a lot of creativity in embroidery. I started sharing all this with Paramjeet. And so we started, feeling that this is something really nice. Till that time, it was just feeling good and, being in the moment. And I think it was destiny. And it was destined to happen that we were supposed to come into computerized embroidery. Just a few months later, we saw a clipping on TV about computerized embroidery machines being launched in Bangalore and India from Japan. And we were zapped. We said, my goodness, it seems our dream is going to come true. So then we felt this is our goal. This, we could do it. That's how we came into this textile business. Hello, I'm Joginda. I'm a business entrepreneur, born and brought up in Bangalore.
I'm Paramjeet Singh Thukral. I'm born in UP, Allahabad, and brought up in Delhi. Never thought that destiny will bring me to South. But after schooling and college, came to South and got a job. For 2 years, I did my job in Bangalore, and that's how the journey began.
Paramjeet's father was very keen that he should do some business. So he wanted him to pick up a good trade, and Paramjeet wanted to come to Bangalore. He was keen. Perhaps he had a perception that we are going to meet in Bangalore, and it was destiny. So he came to Bangalore. It's a 3-decade business. So there would be pros and cons. There would be hardships. So the first struggle was, how do we get these machines? Pretty expensive, and then they cost a lot of money, and we wanted the best. There were a lot of variants, but we wanted the best. And Paramjeet was very keen that we are going to get them from Japan. And so we had to get a loan. So the loan process also was not very easy. And so we checked around with few banks. We approached them. And again, it was not very easy getting the loan sanctioned. So we somehow passed those hurdles and got our first machine, which was a 12-head Barudan machine. And it was such a moment. It was as if a baby has come into our lives. And so we named the unit after our daughter, Sukhmeet, who was born that particular year. So, but we wanted to give a Japanese twist to it because it was a Japan machine. So we called it Sukhmeet Embroiders. Our relationships with our customers has not been just on business. It has been, we have grown in relationship with them. And our main forte is logos, and which we started with Madhura Garments. And I yet remember the time where we went and met them, and they gave us a small order and just asking us to crack a design of the Tommy Hilfiger logo, which they had problem with certain other embroiderers. And so we cracked it. And we did such a good job, and I can't tell you the amount of appreciation and respect we have gained.
Aditya Birla Group, Madhura Garments was our main customer, where we were doing for them Tommy Hilfiger, and later on we did their local brands, Alan Solly, Van Heusen, Peter England.
COVID brought in a lot of changes in us. It was a shock, not only for us, I think for the whole universe. And definitely the fashion industry was badly hit, and we never expected it to dip down that badly. And so for 1.5 years, practically we were without orders. After COVID, Again, it has been a slow start, but it is started. It has started. We have grown to about 50-60%, and we are looking at further movement in this line. And I'm sure, but again, if we have to tell about how we strengthened, is not only because of the business, we also strengthened as a family during the COVID. See, in every part of our life, or in everybody's life, family is a very integral part, and so was ours. And we were a joint family, and highly supported by our parents, because when we started this textile business or the computerized embroidery unit, we were immensely supported by our parents, who took care of the children, the food, the love, the support, which was very profound. And that helped us to focus further on and expand our business. So we took care of our house totally, all of us. None could say that I was not a part of this journey, but all of us, like perhaps at work there was only few of us, but in this all of us took part.
All these actually value, whatever is there comes from the parents. They are our first guru, and we have not seen God, but in them we have seen the God. So all the values come from the parent first, and then from the friends, childhood friends, who are there with us and seen the journey, coming up, seeing us struggle, reaching to this and being so happy about it. That makes a lot of difference. So support of family, support of friends, the combination makes a very good things for everybody.
See, it's like general, any business, you have to give it time, you have to be focused, you have to have aspirations, you have to have goals, you have to be honest and sincere, and give it time. I think and plus family support. You just cannot say that you're going to do it on your own. You may take it to some level, but you could be lonely at that top level. You have to have family around. So our advice, both of us, would be that do whatever you want to, but keep your family and friends. As he said, friends are also childhood friends, or honest friends are always a big plus in your life.
Past 4 decades, what we have done, we have just made the foundation for our children, so that what hardship we have gone through, they should not go through that. They should take to another level with different challenges, new challenges, and bring a good name for us and our family. Focus on your goal, make a goal, and see that you reach that goal. The difficulties will come, definitely a lot of problems will come, challenges will come. You have to face it. You have to face it boldly. Don't go down. Try, and you will definitely succeed.